Then a sticker too.
But I don't care about Charles or Planet. All I wanted was to finish my sticker
Oh, my poor darling. It's not so bad. It was really nice of that gentleman to send you his lovely photo. Come on. You've got yourself in such a state for nothing, Babazoo. You've almost finished your album. That's a real achievement.